take my Flawless by Gabrielle Union and go through and apply the styling cream. And apply the cream. Then I just finger comb. I just work my way all the way up, continuing to section. And here I'm just picking small pieces to make sure they're all saturated with the product. This is what it's going to look like for now until it dries. I usually let it air dry. So I like big hair, so I like when it grows. I don't use a diffuser, so I just let it air dry. So this is it for now. I will let it dry and I will come back and show you guys the finished result.